We guide you through how to add money to your PayPal account using a credit card. First thing you need to do is to open PayPal app and log into your account. Then, tap your balance or the wallet tab to see your link payment method. If your credit card isn't added yet, tap Add a card, enter your card details, and save it to your wallet. Once your card is linked, tap Add Money or Add Funds and choose your credit card as the payment source. PayPal may show a small processing fee depending on your region, so double check the total amount before confirming. After you enter the amount, tap Continue and review the details carefully. Then, confirm the deposit. Keep in mind that in many regions, PayPal doesn't allow direct credit card to balance transfer. So, instead, PayPal charges your card automatically whenever you make a payment, meaning you can still pay through PayPal using your credit card even if your balance is zero.